Ah, well, I don't want to do Shakespeare anyway, for you are all a bunch of wankers.
Hi, yes. My name's Gemma Chisholm, and I'm a poet. Well, poetess, actually. And I'd like to read you a couple of my compositions. Thank you. First one is called, Oh, Husband, You Are a Bastard. Man, 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 with his man-made stench of cigarettes and man-slurped beer. Loudly he leers, and looms bumbly lumbering into my bedchamber. Late he appears, leering and beery and leering, and he beats at the gate to my perfect private flower garden, bashing with his hard, evil little man wand. That's not about my husband, of course. That's about somebody else's. Thank you. Another one here, personal favourite. It's called Dumping Ground. Thank you. Flushed, I fished for the lavatory handle, thus to sweep away all traces of his all-too-human movement. But the chain pulls in vain. I cannot exorcise his excrement. The king's throne remains soiled. The stench, the horror of a stoic stool stuck to the porcelain by invisible man-adhesive. An evil calling card, freshly coiled each morning. His heart is closed, but the lid remains ever open. Thank you.
There's that bastard McPhee owes me a bloody 10 spot.
Have you got his tenner?
Here, McPhee.
Get her out, you bastard. Get that tenner out. Give me two. Yeah. There's that tenner. There is it. Hey.
Still handy, eh, Jack?
Aye, still game for it. Eh? Sorted that bastard out anyway, Oh, there she is, eh? Oh, she's lovely, so she is, aye.
Well, that big heifer.
Wouldn't you be calling her a bloody heifer? That's the size of woman you want, aye. Fresh drawers on off the radiator every morning, lovely, aye.
Is that your type, eh? Big Ma Brun type?
Oh, aye, absolutely, aye.
Well, you never know.
That big woman would make you a steak pie for scratch, aye. Carrots, totties, peas, and an apple pie on the window ledge for afterwards. Oh, marvellous, aye. Aye, she's lovely right enough, aye.
Here, wait and talk to her, Jack. Go on.
Oh, give me peace, no.
Here, ask her out.
Oh, no, I don't
Come
want
on, today's the day, man or moose.
to. Oh, a challenge, is it, eh?
Aye, boy. What's the matter with you?
I'll do it, aye. Hello there, sweetheart. Aye, I was wondering if you and I could go out for a wee bit.
Piss off. Bumped. She wouldn't be pissing on you if you were on fire.
Shut up. Anyway, I'm getting my hole tonight.
For who?
Anybody I want.
The hell you on about, man?
Flavoured condoms.
The hell use of bloody flavoured condoms to people our age?
Specifically designed for people our age, aye. I'll get you a look at them here now. I'll go at them there, fish them out. There we are. Now, mint imperial.
Oh.
Barley sugar.
Oh.
Scotch broth.
Oh.
Yummy.
Oh, wait a hell.
Dirty climb.
Think a big one's still talking to me.
Oh, aye, she's a good sort, Jack. She's a good sort.
Here, sweetheart. Do you know break a heart?
Oh, break her heart.
Oh, if you're going to break a heart, be sure to break a fat girl's heart. They're bigger, much bigger. If you're going to ruin someone's life, be sure they're not a scale. No, with us, aye.
Oh, skinny girls are fine, but when you dump them, they just run and find another. Oh, but when you crush your chubby's heart, she remains with all the fatties on the shelf. That shelf is creaking. She remains with all the fatties on the shelf.
London, Paris, New York, Rome.
Oh yes, it's fine to go traveling, but you gotta come home. Don't look for love around the world. There's only one place to take your girl. It's the backstairs lobby.
The backstairs lobby.
Get her in the bunker.
Get her in the bunker.
Backstairs lobby.
The backstairs lobby.
Get her in the bunker.
Get her in the bunker.
Watch those Sundays disassemble down in the lobby for a quick knee tremble. Backstairs lobby.
Backstairs lobby.
Get her in the bunker. Get her in the bunker. Oh, at the slaughterhouse on the Gallagate, they kill stuff every day. They bring them in the lorry and they have their wicked way. Oh, cows and pigs and sheep and goats, they shoot them in the head or they slit their throats. But you and me say, what the hell? 'Cause hacked up animals taste real swell from the slaughterhouse. Whoa,
Sticky flare in the abattoir.
whoa,
Eat your bread in the abattoir.
oh, at the slaughterhouse, slaughterhouse. His Majesty's home for the blind. His Majesty's home for the blind. You can sneak in and feel them, they really don't mind. His Majesty's home for the blind. Hey! His Majesty's home for the blind. His Majesty's home for the blind. You can sneak in and feel them, they really don't mind. His Majesty's home for, His Majesty's home for, His Majesty's home for the blind. They don't see nothing. His Majesty's home for the blind. Special night tonight. We haven't said that to anybody else except for us through the week. But obviously they're filming it tonight. You've been brilliant. It's been brilliant. But the last time Greg and I were here was at the pantomime and at the King's here. And what they do at the end, they've got a traditional thing that we didn't know about, having never done a panto before. They have a song sheet. Well, they bring a song sheet down and everybody joins in. It's a bit of... So, if you could help us out by saying, bring down the clues. Bring down the clues. Bring down the clues. Come on, bring down the clues. Hey!
Alternative panto.
Aye.
Aye.
There we go, now. His Majesty's home for the blind. His Majesty's home for the blind. You can sneak in and feel them, they really don't mind. His Majesty's home for the blind. His Majesty's home for the blind. His Majesty's home for the blind. You can sneak in and feel them, they really don't mind. His Majesty's home for, His Majesty's home for, His Majesty's home for the blind. They don't see nothing. His Majesty's home for the blind. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, the fat has left the building.